wanna be a slave, I wanna be a monster. I wanna make your heartbeat run like roller coasters. I wanna be a good boy, I wanna be a gangster. Cause you can be the beauty and I could be the monster.
It is one of the largest and most important railway hubs in Europe, serving as a major transportation hub for the city of Milan and the surrounding region. This is Milan's central station. The station is renowned for its impressive architecture, combining various architectural styles. It was designed by the architect Ulisse Tacchini and opened in 1931. The station building features a monumental facade with a neoclassical style, while the interior showcases a blend of Art Nouveau, Art Deco and Rationalist architectural elements. Milan Central Station is a bustling complex with numerous facilities and amenities. It houses a wide range of shops, including boutiques, bookstores, convenience stores, and eateries. It takes 2 hours from Venice Central Station to Milan Central Station by train. Milan Central Station is located close to several popular tourist attractions. The famous shopping street via Monte Napoleon and the historic city centre, with attractions like the Milan Cathedral Duomo di Milano and the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, are easily accessible from the station. Additionally, nearby neighbourhoods such as Porta Nuova and Brera offer a vibrant mix. The station features a diverse selection of retail shops, including fashion boutiques, accessory stores, and lifestyle brands. Some popular names include H&M, Zara, Benetton, Swarovski, Brix, and Desigual. You can find well-known food and beverage chains such as McDonald's, Burger King, Starbucks, Caffè Nero, Autogrill, and Motte Cafe Bar. For reading material, magazines, newspapers, and stationery, you can visit bookstores like Feltrinelli Express and Relay throughout station. This is Milan Cathedral, commonly referred to as the Duomo di Milano or simply the Duomo, is one of the most iconic landmarks in Milan. Such as Prada, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Versace, and many more. Additionally, there are several upscale restaurants, cafes, and bars where visitors can relax and enjoy the atmosphere. It was designed by architect Giuseppe Mengoni and completed in 1877. The arcade features a distinctive iron and glass roof, adorned with decorative motifs and intricate detailing. The exterior facades are adorned with sculptures and ornamental elements. The Milan Quadrilatero is situated in the city centre, bordered by four main streets that form a quadrilateral shape. The Quadrilatero is synonymous with luxury fashion and high-end shopping. It is home to a vast array of prestigious Italian and international fashion houses, renowned designers. Visitors can find flagship stores of iconic fashion labels like Armani, Gucci, Prada, Versace, Valentino, Dolce & Gabbana, and many others. Tori is a business district located in the northwestern part of Milan, Italy. It is known for its modern skyscrapers and commercial buildings. Tori is primarily a business district, hosting numerous offices, headquarters, and commercial spaces. It is a hub for various industries, including finance, consulting, technology, and media. Many national and international companies have their offices in this area. Some notable buildings in Territory include the Alliance Tower, the Generali Tower, the Unicredit Tower, and the Diamond Tower. Piazza Mercanti exudes a charming and atmospheric ambience with its cobblestone streets, narrow passageways, and historic buildings. It is a pedestrian-friendly square, allowing visitors to explore its surroundings leisurely. Milan Castello is situated in the Parco Sempione area of Milan, near the Brera district. It is easily accessible and located not far from the city centre. The castle's construction dates back to the 14th century, when it was built as a fortress by the Visconti family, rulers of Milan. Over the years, it underwent various expansions and modifications, becoming the seat of power for the Sforza family during the Renaissance. Milan Castello showcases a combination of architectural styles. Due to its many transformations over the centuries, the fortress features elements of medieval, Renaissance, and neoclassical architecture. Notable features include the Filaret Tower, the Rocchetta Tower, the imposing main entrance, and the inner courtyards. The castle's exterior is adorned with decorative elements and sculptures, showcasing the craftsmanship of different periods. Milan Castello houses several museums and cultural institutions within its walls. The complex includes the Museum of Ancient Art Museo d'Arte Antica, displaying a rich collection of artworks from various periods, including sculptures and paintings. Thank you very much for watching the video. Subscribe the channel and enjoy watching.